In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move leads to the right sales rep in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reassign a lead so the right person can follow up quickly and nothing slips through the cracks. First, head to the leads section from the left-hand sidebar. This is your central inbox for prospects that aren't yet active deals. If you're new to Pipedrive, think of leads as a holding area where you qualify and route opportunities before turning them into deals. Opening this section makes it easy to see everything waiting for attention. Next, pick a specific lead from your leads inbox to open its details. Clicking the lead will take you to a dedicated view where you can see the lead's information, notes, and activity timeline. This is the best place to confirm you're working with the right record before you change the assignment. Inside the lead details, find the owner field. Hover your mouse over the owner's name and you'll see a small pencil icon appear. Click that pencil to edit. The pencil is your visual cue that the field can be changed, and it's the fastest way to control who is responsible for this lead going forward. Now type the name of the sales rep who should own the lead. As you begin typing, Pipedrive will suggest people from your team. Select the correct person from the list, then click Save to confirm. That's all it takes to hand off the lead. After saving, the new owner will be displayed immediately on the lead, and that change will reflect in filters, reports, and any owner-based views your team relies on. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the person you're assigning to is part of your Pipedrive account and has the right visibility permissions for this lead. If you don't see their name when you type, they may need to be added to your team or granted access by an admin. It's also a good idea to double-check the lead's details before saving, so the new owner has everything they need to take action right away. You'll avoid back and forth and speed up response times. That's the entire process. Go to Leads, open the lead, hover over the owner field to reveal and click the pencil, choose the correct sales rep, and save. With this simple handoff, your team stays organized, accountability is clear, and your hottest prospects get to the right person at the right time. Thanks for watching, and keep your pipeline moving.